Hello, David here, and the project for today is trying out one of these vacuum sealers. My neighbor gave this to me. I don't know anything about this. I've never tried it. This is a Foodsaver model VAC 1075. It doesn't have bag storage inside, so you have to store the bags outside. It's got some instructions on here. Okay, so you got to seal the bag before you put it in. Cut the bag to the length, open the lid, place one end of the bag on the sealing strip, which is that. Close the lid, press down on the lid, and release. Wait for the machine to turn off, open lid, remove bag, and then to seal, you put the bag in this vacuum channel. Close the lid, press down on the lid and release. Wait for the machine to turn off. Open lid and remove bag. So, my friend didn't give me any bags, so I ordered these Wevac bags, 11 inches by 50 feet. There's two rolls. I guess the other one's 8 inches by 50 feet. Yeah, I got an 11 inch and an 8 inch. Oh, there's something else in there. What are these? Made in communist China. Well, they got a website on there, wevactech.com. Email is service@wevactech.com. 5 bone guards are included. These must be bone guards. I'm guessing if you have meat on a bone and you vacuum seal it, possibly the bone will stick through the plastic and poke it. What do? Yeah, these are sheets of plastic. You probably put this on the bone end so it doesn't tear the plastic. Clever, huh? I'm going to vacuum seal this apple. Got to have enough plastic to go over into here and the end of the apple. Yeah, the cord's in a recess on the bottom. Hey, it didn't seal. Okay, that's sealed. I guess gotta press this instant seal button. Oh, by the way, I pressed really hard on the cover when I was sealing the bottom end, so that might be a clue. Okay, the vacuum, close lid, press down on lid and release. Wait for machine to turn off. Wait 20 seconds before vacuuming and or sealing again. I think it's been 20 seconds. What's the sealing time? I don't know what that does. That's not a good seal. It didn't seal the opening either, so let's try again. It's sealed, but it's not a perfect vacuum. There's still a void in there. So it's not the fault of the bags, it's just, I think it's a bad vacuum sealer. And it probably needs a new gasket right here. I found out there's two gaskets on here. There's one gasket down here, and there's another gasket right there. I checked online, and there are no gaskets available for this thing. Checked Amazon. I checked the Foodsaver company. This thing must be really old. So I'm gonna have to consider this video a failure. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.